What's going on, Saastronauts? It's June from Saastronautics here, and we have an exciting new deal coming out. And I wanted to introduce the founder and the team behind the new SaaS product that we are introducing for Saastronautics today. So we have Steven from RefMonkey, and we're going to ask him a few questions and learn more about what RefMonkey is and how we can use it for our businesses. So Steven, thank you for getting on the call with us. We really appreciate it. I know you're very busy with the new product coming out. Can you introduce yourself and your co-founder who's not here right now?
Really, yeah. Thanks for having me on. Excited to work with Saastronautics. Yeah, so for RefMonkey, we are a referral and affiliate program software to really help businesses create profitable referral and affiliate programs. I typically say referral and affiliate because they're typically two different things. Referrals is typically your users, your customers bringing you new sales, and affiliates are people outside of your typical customer base bringing you new sales. And we try to facilitate those two. And yeah, generally help you get new sales through these through word of mouth marketing. And yeah, my developer Mundia, he's not here right now, but he leads all the tech, although I'm technical myself as well, but I usually handle more of the product and everything else. Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you. Yeah, and we're going to go into a little more detail about referral programs versus affiliate systems. I know that's a question that comes up often, and we will continue to explain the differences in future videos and use case videos on how you can maximize RefMonkey to grow your business. So before we get there, I have a few more questions actually. So Steven and also Mundia, who's not here right now, can you give us a brief background story of where you guys are coming from? So your background, your experience, any other products that you've created, or any other big companies, not big companies, but any other companies that you've also worked with prior to coming to creating RefMonkey. And lastly, the story behind how you created RefMonkey. So not how, why you created RefMonkey. How did you come about deciding you want to build a new referral and affiliate system?
Yeah, totally. Yeah, so my background, I've been a software engineer at a variety of companies in the Bay Area, California. Yeah, I worked at startups, larger companies. Walmart.com was one of them, and my co-founder also, yeah, Mundia is also a dev. And yeah, so we came from technical backgrounds, and specifically for RefMonkey, we started building that primarily because we noticed that a lot of these solutions out there don't focus as much on the aspects of driving results for businesses, and we wanted to build something that where our process of using it is also quite beneficial for delivering results from referral marketing, because typically the solutions out there don't, it's really just a software, but we try to create the feature sets that allow you to really get results from it. For example, various ways of reminding people. We have features where users are reminded of driving referrals if you prefer that, and just a wide range of developing in that direction. And that's sort of the direction we want to kind of continue developing on. Yeah.
Awesome. Sounds good. Okay. Before we go into the nitty gritty, our CTO, Frank, who's also a developer and very technical, of course, he had a fun question he wanted to ask. And before I ask it, anyone watching in, if you guys have some questions, leave them in the comments below. And if we don't get to it during this call, Steven, Mundia, myself, or Parker, anyone else on our team will answer your questions ASAP. Frank wanted to ask, what was the first code you've ever written, and how does it compare to your most recent project, which is obviously RefMonkey? I'm sure it doesn't even compare, but we're very curious.
Gotcha. Cool. Yeah. I think that's I think if I can remember, I think this might not be the first one, but it's probably the first one I remember better. So yeah, I think the first one was basically an app, particularly for mapping all the electric charging stations for electric vehicles
Ooh.
in the US. Yeah, that was sort of a fun project. I forgot the initial reason I did that, but because yeah, it was a cool. It was sort of just a thing I made just to kind of see it. I'm a big fan of Tesla and a
Mm.
lot of their
Oh, nice.
stuff.
Yeah.
So that's and then how it relates. I think some of the core technical areas is pretty similar. Like RefMonkey, we're pretty heavy on JavaScript because it works and integrates really well with a variety of sites, integrations,
Mm.
and then having that front end and back end kind of coordinate well with that is really useful. When I made that app, it was in React Native, which was also JavaScript, so it's very versatile in general. Of course, there's like many programming languages, but that's just sort of the one we use a lot. And then yeah.
All right, cool, cool. Okay, so let's talk about your product, your baby, RefMonkey. Can you give us a brief introduction into what RefMonkey is? I know you've briefly explained a bit earlier, but like the elevator pitch of what is RefMonkey?
Yeah, totally. So I guess the main value that we provide to most of to our customers is really to be able to get so typically for it's to be able to get new sales for your business
Mm.
without needing to particularly spend money on a new marketing channel or something like that. Or if you're already spending money on an existing marketing channel or sales strategy, then it really just bumps up everything
Yeah.
that you're doing. Because for every user or customer you're bringing in, now that user or customer can act as can basically do word of mouth marketing for you to get your new customers. And we
Mm.
try to make that process we try to incentivize the users to do that as much as possible through our software and all our features.
Mm.
And yeah, so that's the core value proposition that we try to really aim for. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I've noticed like if you look through or search about affiliate marketing, as entrepreneurs or as work from home or freelancers, the idea and the thoughts, the talking points about affiliate marketing are everywhere. But when it comes to talking about growing your business or as a business owner, people talk about SEO, SEM, and other avenues of growing your business, but I don't see affiliate marketing or an affiliate system recommended very often. Of course, giveaways show up, and giveaways revolve kind of around referrals, but like an actual affiliate marketing program for your business, I don't see it recommended too often. So I think RefMonkey, especially because it's coming out on Saastronautics now, it's a great place or a great product to look into to set up your first affiliate marketing campaign or program. And so jumping off the elevator pitch of what RefMonkey is, who are your main competitors?
Yeah.
Or you don't have to consider them competitors, but which affiliate program that's out there right now that people might know about is most comparable to RefMonkey?
Yeah, totally. So some of the other, so there's a lot of affiliate software in the space, affiliate and referral software in the space. Some that comes to mind are like Tap Affiliate,
Mhm.
First Promoter, and WP Affiliates, and many others. So so really the core value a lot of these provide is like each one really works well for a specific user set. Like for example, some work really well with certain integrations and things like that. So we really focus more a lot on our customers and what really like helps them.
Mm.
So that's sort of our main direction. Although there are many affiliates solutions, referral solutions out there as
Mm.
well. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Um, so what would you consider to be the RefMonkey's main USP? Like so between Tapfiliate, First Promoter, and the many platforms that people can go to, why should people choose RefMonkey?
Yeah, totally. So one of the bigger ones is just is our versatility. We work really well for both coders and non-coders. So we have a really robust API, so you can do really custom stuff with your referral programs or affiliate programs. And then we also have a bunch of integrations with Webflow, Wix, Shopify,
Nice.
many others. And so, yeah, and so it works well in that regard. And then the other one is really, we just try to have a really great support experience for everyone that comes through. We try to really we don't really, one of the things that we do a lot is really just focus on the customers and how we can provide value. And so, yeah, so that's two of the things that we try to really focus on, because I personally used a lot of affiliate software in the past from past projects, businesses, and yeah, and those were some of the things that we really wanted when we started RefMonkey.
Awesome. Thank you. Thank you for explaining that. And in our community and our audience, and also people watching in right now, there's a lot of affiliate marketers, full time and also like as a side gig or side hustle. So they might already understand this point, but I know one of the questions that come up a lot when talking about affiliate marketing and some of the affiliate programs and referral systems out there is the confusion between, because it's slightly similar, but there are differences, right? What and so can you explain one more time or a little bit more in detail where referral systems and affiliate systems are different? And also, I know RefMonkey can do both. So maybe a little bit more detail about that as well.
Yeah, totally. So we kind of see it as referrals is using, I mentioned this a little bit earlier, but referrals are usually using your existing customer base or your existing user base or people that signed up to an email newsletter or just some that have a connection to you already, and then have them drive new sales for you or new signups or just grow through word of mouth, like telling their friends about you. And so to incentivize them through that and to track the process so that they feel like they're being recognized for that, right? And yeah, and then so for affiliates, they're usually people who are who have a community outside and who want to promote a product, service, or something to that community that they didn't build themselves, and so they usually would work with a business or a company to promote that business to their community. So that's sort of the difference. Like affiliates could be your customers, but there typically are people that aren't your customers and have a community or marketing channel that they can share you to. Yeah.
Awesome, awesome. Okay, and another thing is actually Saastronautics has an affiliate program. If you didn't know, and of course we are using our partners' software. And for in this case, the Saastronautics affiliate program is using RefMonkey. So you'll be able to see exactly how RefMonkey works if you join up for our affiliate program. But as the days go by, we understand RefMonkey because we're using it. The other is we will be going into detail on the use cases and more importantly, the walkthroughs. So how to set it up, how to use it, how to maximize it and leverage it for growing your business. So stay tuned for those. And hopefully we'll have Steven back on for those as well. And last question, or last two questions is one, what other features, are there any other big or small features that you plan to incorporate with RefMonkey in the future on your roadmap? And again, the roadmap we will share with you guys soon, but in the future, and where do you see RefMonkey in 1 to 3 years?
Yeah, totally. So I think feature-wise, we hope to integrate with a lot more with additional platforms because we see the need and it really helps with the experience. For example, adding new payout methods through Razorpay and others like that. And then integrations with more websites out there or for example, yeah, so there's a lot of website builders out there, especially as e-commerce is really growing, and to have those integrations in place is really helpful to a lot more people. And then in 1 to 3 years, I think one of the core things is really to provide marketing results to businesses. So I think really, we're going to just continue focusing on that. So for RefMonkey, it'll be continue building out those features that really help incentivize users or affiliates to really promote that business and bring in new customers. So we're going to be going in that direction.
Awesome.
And then, yeah. Mhm.
Hopefully, yeah, that's awesome. Hopefully, a lot of our users and community members that purchase RefMonkey and utilize it can help us create some case studies or also share use case videos with our audience. And also, hopefully Saastronautics affiliate program does well, and we can provide you with some case studies and content that you can repurpose for later on, bringing in new users. Okay, so I think that about wraps it up for us today. Again, we're very excited about this and we are using it ourselves. So we'll continue to show you guys use cases and how to use it. And yeah, so if you want to learn more about RefMonkey, stay tuned. Also, check out the deal link in the description. And if you have any other questions, just leave them in our Facebook community, Astronaut Life. And we'll have Steven back on soon. So thank you guys for joining us. Thank you, Steven. And
Thanks.
have fun. All right, guys, take care.